Welcome to the forefront of ethical Python management. Here,
scales look good, eyes are clear, ventral scales are perfect. Looks like we have a very healthy snake here.
Grade 42 is at 3 degrees. Confirm, log that and send the next one through.
After the initial machine fleshing, the hide is moved to the beam. Here, the craftsman meticulously removes.
Levels are stable, pH is at 8.5. Perfect, keep the temperature steady.
In the curing stack phase, the salted hides are stacked, flesh, heavy weights apply even pressure.
We're looking for any thin spots or inconsistencies in the grain. This one here needs to be marked.
In the same drum, after dyeing, natural oils and emulsified fats are added. This fat liquoring
fed through a computer-controlled staking machine, thousands of blunt needles massage the leather, breaking up the fibers and making it incredibly soft and drapeable.
The sprayed leather passes on a conveyor through a short infrared heating tunnel. The heat instantly cures the base.
This ancient technique, called glazing, creates an initial deep, glassy shine and compacts the finish.
We look for perfect color consistency and the right tactile feel on the scales. Once it meets the standard, we apply the final stamp.
Consistency in the grain and scale is crucial for our high-end products. This grade A pile is exactly what we need for the new line.
A small, focused hot air blower is passed over the painted edge. The heat melts the paint, allowing it to flow and bond seamlessly.
For styles with buttons, a computerized buttonhole machine stitches a precisely sized, reinforced keyhole buttonhole in the Python.
The seams are perfectly aligned and the stitching density meets our standard. Zipper runs smooth. Finalizing the checklist now.
First, we check the zipper for smooth operation, up and down, multiple times. Then we move on to
The CITES documentation is secured inside the pocket. This is a legal requirement for exotic leathers.